welcome back guys. So the next is very quick topic is randomize. Randomize means when you want to shuffle the things randomly, right? For example, you want to shift the values randomly. You have some kind of tokens or some kind of mixed values and you want to shuffle in that. How can you do that? We have a very simple option is here, that is select your values, go into data and select the randomize range. What it will do, it will randomly change the position of your that range particular. So you guys can see here automatically it changed position. If again click on ranges, again it will change the position. So this is when you want to mix up some values. So this is a useful tool. So this is very easy to use that. Hope you guys will practice it. If you guys have any query question in any topic of Google Sheet, just comment into the comment box. It will help you out personally. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and share with your friends, family. Thanks for watching. Have a very good day.